EasyControl MDM solutions, tailored for the restaurant industry. Running a restaurant? You probably use ordering kiosks, POS terminals, kitchen tablets. But who's managing them? With EasyControl MDM, you can lock devices in kiosk mode, prevent games, browsing, or wrong apps, push updates remotely, instantly sync menu, pricing, or apps across all stores, set time-based or location-based rules, auto-lock devices after hours or outside store area, track devices with GPS. Lost a tablet? Locate, lock, or wipe it in seconds. Get real-time data, no battery status, app usage, online, offline status. Group your devices. Apply custom settings by store, region, or device type. Example, a 200-store chain uses EasyControl to cut on-site maintenance by 80%. Ensure 99% uptime on ordering kiosks, and roll out menu changes overnight. Why EasyControl? Easy to deploy. Full control from the cloud works on Android devices. Smarter device management, faster operations, total control. Choose EasyControl. Visit www.easycontrol.io.